Here's how to convert a web page into a PDF document. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu, go to Extensions, and select Visit Chrome Web Store. Search for Go Full Page, Full Page Screen Capture, and click on it. Now select Add to Chrome. Confirm by selecting Add Extension. Then wait for the installation to finish. Next, open Extensions. Manage extensions and make sure Go Full Page is enabled. Now, visit the web page you want to convert into a PDF. Click the Go Full Page extension icon from the toolbar. The extension will automatically scroll through the page and capture the entire website from top to bottom. Once the capture is complete, you'll be taken to a preview page where you can review the result. Click Download PDF to save the captured web page as a PDF document. If your browser asks for permission to download the file, click Allow. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder to access the PDF. The document will include the full web page, making it easy to save, print, or share later. That's all for this video. Thanks.